What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're well. We're going to go over our friend Gala, currently sitting at 0.02. We finally pushed up to 0.02. We're up 4% on the day. Following our analysis, market cap 698 million, 24 volume 92 million. So, as you can see, we broke this double bottom. We're pushing back to the upside. There's a couple ways you can look at it. This is the low for the wave 4. The problem is I don't like this as a wave 1. It's just too short in my opinion, but it could be. Otherwise, you had if this is a wave C, it's basically a shortened C, and now you're pushing up. Either way, it's not really that big of a deal. I do think we'll pull back soon. We may push a little bit higher towards this resistance area, right around 0.02138 before we pull back, but I do think it's probable that we pull back, we retest this double bottom before continuation back to the upside. You can explode to the upside, of course, but just looking at it from a wave perspective, I do think we may push a little bit higher and then pull back to retest basically a 1-2 before continuation back to the upside. Everybody was shitting on Gala down here as per usual, and now everyone's back. Oh, Gala to $1. Hilarious. So I've been covering in the videos about us holding this right shoulder, and that I thought the more likely scenario is we do hold this shoulder and then break out. Does look like that's going to happen. We're pushing back above the daily EMAs. So once we break that neckline, then you have a technical target of this inverse head and shoulders that can take you right up to 0.03. My break even for my largest investment, which is Gala Games, is 0.033. So pretty excited to get back up in the 3-cent range. That's what I'm looking at for our friend Gala. Currently, I'm in a gold trade, which I gave a signal for. Holy smokes! We're about to hit the TP1. Sorry about that little freak out. It's a little bit corny. But as you can see, we're about to hit the TP1, which is a 3-to-1, and then the TP2 is a 4-to-1. So that's nice to see. I gave a signal in the Discord. Woo, gotta love it. So you can have completely free access to my Discord, which include my daily crypto analysis for many projects, as well as my Forex signals. Just click the link in the comments. Make sure to sign up to BITUNIX, no KYC, no VPN, all around the world, including North America. One of the few exchanges in North America where you can trade futures, 10% back on every single one of your trades, on your fees. All links down below. Go check them out. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.